Welcome to my MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. I invite you to subscribe and share videos. In this episode, we'll talk about the Chrysler 6.4 V8 Hemi engine. So to the point. Let's start. Chrysler 6.4 V8 16V Hemi engine. 8 cylinders and 16 valves. Injection type, multi-point. Timing chain. Engine oil capacity, 6.6 liters. Oil type, Mopar 5W30. Change after 13,000 kilometers or 8,000 miles or 6 months. Service inspection every 1 year. Works well with LPG gas installation. Average engine fuel consumption from 12 liters per 100 kilometers to 25 liters per 100 kilometers is about 10 miles per gallon to 20 miles per gallon. Advantages: durable design, low failure rate, high work culture, very good dynamics, good cooperation with LPG gas installation. Disadvantages: high service and parts costs, high fuel consumption. The Chrysler 6.4 V8 16V Hemi engine with 468, 476, 481, or 491 HP went into production in 2007. It was found in the most powerful versions of Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, and SRT versions. This is the most powerful version of the Hemi family. The unit is very advanced in terms of construction, which allowed to obtain very high parameters. It is equipped with forged pistons made of aluminum alloy with very high durability. The engine can boast very good performance, great work culture, and sensational dynamics. To sum up, the 6.4 Hemi engine is very good for longer trips, less suitable for the city due to high fuel consumption. Thank you for watching the podcast of the film, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode.